Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare bhindi masala. So let's get started with the recipe. To make bhindi masala, our first step is to fry our bhindi. Here we are adding some mustard oil in our pot. Now I'm going to fry our bhindi or okra in this oil for almost 5 to 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, as you can see, our veggies has fried properly. It has become golden brown in color. Now I'm going to take them out into another plate. To make the gravy, we have taken the same oil in which I am adding some dried red chili and some nigella seeds or kalo jeera. I'm going to saute it for some time, and then I'll be adding some chopped tomatoes into this. And after adding the tomatoes, I'll mix them properly and cover the lid. After 1 minute, as you can see, it has shimmered quite well. Now I'm going to add some mustard and poppy seed paste into this. Now I'm going to fry it properly till it becomes little dry. After 5 minutes, as you can see, it has become dry. Now I'm going to add some spices. I'm adding some salt. I'll be adding some turmeric powder and some sugar. If you want, you can skip the sugar. Now I'm going to mix it again and fry it for some time. Now it has become quite thick, so I'm going to add water in this and make a gravy out of it. So now it's time to add our bhindi or okras. I'll cover them with the gravy and I'll be cooking it for almost 5 minutes with lid on. After 5 minutes, as you can see, the gravy has become quite thick. Now I'm going to add some mustard oil on top of it and the gravy is ready. If you like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you and have a good day.